Welcome to day 21 of our 30-day vibration plate squat challenge. Today, we're focusing on stability and control, building strength you can feel and movement you can trust. Step on your plate and let the vibration settle into your legs. We're just warming up the body and getting grounded before our first interval. Let your knees stay soft, don't lock them. Feel the vibration wake up the muscles in your hips, thighs, and core. Take a moment to connect with your balance. This challenge isn't just about reps. It's about learning how your body moves under vibration. Notice your stance. Notice where you feel strong and where you feel a little unsteady. Now let's do some shoulder rolls. Start by rolling them back so that we can warm up that upper body. Nice. Now let's reverse that movement. Nice work. Use this warm-up to prepare your breathing. Inhale slow, exhale slow. The calmer you're breathing, the more control you'll have during your sets ahead. You've been doing this for 21 days. You already know how to settle into the plate. Trust your body. Let's begin interval 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Keep your chest lifted and drive through your heels. Move with purpose, not speed. Now let's pulse it on out. Keep those hips back. Small controlled movements. Let the vibration do the work with you. Now those final 8 squats for this interval. Stay steady. This round sets the tone for the rest of the workout. Great start. Now use this break to reset your stance and control your breathing. You're working on stability today. That means letting the vibration challenge your balance without rushing to correct it. If you wobble a little, that's part of getting stronger. Now squat down lightly and feel that vibration through those quads. Now go ahead and reach forward, but keep your balance. We want to let that vibration release the tension in those muscles. Now put your head back and feel that vibration relax your muscles. You've made it to day 21 because you show up even on the days when you don't feel perfect. That's consistency. Your power is right now. Shake those legs out if you need to and keep a slight bend in your knees. Let the plate keep warming those muscles. We'll be starting interval 2 shortly. Focus on staying grounded and control over speed. Use these last few seconds to enjoy this break. We'll start interval 2 shortly. Focus on staying grounded, control over speed. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Stay tall and move with intention. Feel the plate working through your legs. Now pulse it out. Keep that core tight. This is where stability really kicks in. Finish it out with these last few squats. Hold your form and don't rush. That was strong. 2 rounds down. Now let the vibration settle into your legs again. This is where you build control. Right here in your rest periods. Notice your breathing. Slow it down. Bring your heart rate back to a steady pace. Stand tall, soften the knees, keep the core gently engaged. You're training your body to stay balanced even when fatigued. You're in the final stretch of today's workout. 1 more interval and you're done. Stay focused. You got this. Get ready for the last round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last round. Let's get it. Keep your stability strong. Now pulse it out and push through that burn. Tiny movements, big results. Now finish these 8 squats with control. You're doing great. And just like that, it's done. It's celebration time. Nice job. Give yourself a hand for completing today. Now settle back into a comfortable stance and let the vibration calm your legs. Let your breath slow down and feel the tension releasing from the thighs and the hips. Slow deep breath in and exhale out. You showed excellent control today. Every rep builds muscle, but every moment of balance builds confidence in your movement. Now squat deeper and feel that tension release. Take this time to reflect on how far you've come. Day 21 means you've been consistent for 3 full weeks. That matters. And your body feels the difference. Let the vibration reset your muscles. And you're done for the day. Amazing work. Give yourself another hand for showing up today. Your consistency is really showing. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We'll be looking for you tomorrow. See you in the next workout. Bye.